How to make profile picture only me on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your profile picture only me on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you can head over to your menu that is on the bottom right and then tap on your profile. After you do that, scroll down till you find your profile picture. Now as you can see right here, I've updated my profile picture. Now let's say I want to make this post only me. Now if that's the case, you can just tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the post, and there you will see an option called Edit Privacy. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll get the option to make it only me. Tap on only me and just tap on done. After doing that, now only you can view this profile picture, and yeah, others will need to just head over to the top and check your profile picture from the top only, so they cannot now see the post. And that's basically how you can make your profile picture only me on Facebook. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Do not forget to hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.